Mr. Malucci here, and I want to show you the new Olmsted at Kensington website. So you can access the site by going to olmstedatkensington.org, or you can do it from the BPS page. If you're on the BPS page here, you can click on schools in the upper right, and you can find Frederick Law Olmsted. We're listed there actually twice, under high school, and we're listed under the elementary school. It doesn't matter which one you click on, you'll find us here. So when you come to the main page, you'll see the information at the top with all of our phones and fax numbers and whatnot. And then as you scroll down, you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see all of our news and information that we post regularly. On the right-hand side, you'll see all of our events. The nice thing about the new site is that you'll see all of the district events on there as well. So that is where a lot of people have been spending their time on the old site. And we've got some more features to show you. If you look at the top, scroll back to the top of the page and click on any of these things, you'll find Keystone Documents, the Parent Portal, transportation information, information on meals. You'll find the calendars here, either the district calendar or our building calendar. You can find how to put in a DASA complaint here under the bullying tab. But the first tab, the Our Schools tab, if you click on that, you'll see all of our different websites that we have in the page for Olmsted. So you'll see our About Us, the bullying online reporting, things like the drinking water testing, extended learning times. You'll see things about the Olmsted Foundation or the parent organization, Opto. You can see our guidance department's page here. You can see our high school ahead information or our Instagram. All of our stuff is linked inside of these pages. If you want to buy a yearbook, there's a link under at the end for the Olmsted 156 yearbook. Teacher pages and library pages will be linked in here. So anything you want will be accessible here. So don't forget, check it out at olmstedatkensington.org, or check it out through the Buffalo page by going to schools and selecting Frederick Law Olmsted under the drop-down menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.